No air conditioning for Olympic athletes. Paris is going green. As Paris gears up for the 2024 Olympics, its strong push for environmental sustainability has caused some discomfort among athletes, particularly regarding the lack of air conditioning. This approach forms part of Paris's larger commitment to hosting an environmentally friendly event. Athlete concerns. The lack of air conditioning has prompted concerns among athletes about potential impacts on their performance and recovery. Issues with food quality and the efficiency of public transportation have also been significant points of contention. Paris's green initiatives. Using existing venues. Paris is utilizing pre-existing sports venues to avoid the environmental costs of new constructions. This decision significantly lowers the carbon footprint of the event. Renewable energy. All Olympic venues will be powered by renewable energy, committing to a substantial reduction in carbon emissions. Waste management. Paris is implementing a strict waste management protocol, emphasizing recycling and the use of reusable materials to minimize environmental impact. Promoting public transport. By enhancing public transport and cycling options, Paris aims to reduce traffic emissions and encourage healthier, more sustainable transportation methods. Expanded responses to athlete concerns. In response to these issues, some national teams have started to bring their own resources. USA. The US team is importing portable air conditioning units to ensure their athletes can stay cool and comfortable despite the local policies. Great Britain. After receiving complaints about undercooked food, British officials are arranging for their own chefs to cater to their athletes, ensuring meals that meet high safety and nutritional standards. Other teams, following suit, several other national delegations, recognizing the unique challenges posed by Paris's sustainability measures, are also making arrangements to enhance their athletes' comfort and readiness, whether through additional climate control solutions or tailored dietary provisions. These proactive steps by various national teams underscore the complex balance between embracing sustainability and meeting the high-performance needs of Olympic athletes. As Paris 2024 approaches, these measures are crucial in setting a precedent for future environmentally conscious sports events.